Good morning, Slammers! So, currently, it's around, I think, 10:30 or going to 11. So, today, pupunta tayo sa iSkin Lifestyle Skincare Clinic. So, they invited me to have a diamond peel and face contour. So, I'm excited because I never experienced face contour before. And, also, the diamond peel, it's been so long since I've done a diamond peel. So, mga years na. So, I'm very excited. And, so far, I just have these, like, parang scars from my previous pimples. But, so far, I'm really taking good of my skin. Because I'm trying this Braille products. And, so far, I'm loving it. So, yeah. I'm just gonna bring you along today. And this is my new hair. I tried like a short hair with like grayish, brownish, whatever-ish colors. So, ayun. Hindi na ako masyado nag-makeup today because since aayusin yung mukha ko. Since ano naman siya, yung parang buburahin lang naman, ayoko mag-effort masyado. Tapos, biglang mangyayari lang is you know, tatanggalin lang nila lahat ng pinag-effortan ko. So, we're just gonna do a lipstick, eyeliner, eyebrows, and a little bit of blush. So, I'm loving this lipstick. This is Wine from Bench. Ang nagugustuhan ko sa kanya kasi even if it's like for so long, nasaan na ba yun? Look, hindi ko naman sa bag ko. Pero it's like a bench. Just put a picture here. So, yan. Sobrang gusto ko siya. Kasi, ano na siya, you know. Ayun eh. This is blush. So, let's put it in the hand. Ayan. So, hindi siya masyadong naglilipat, lalo na kung nakamask ka. So, even after you put your mask off, nandun pa rin yung lipstick. So, you know, me likey. So, yeah. That's all. So, medyo napaaga tayo and order my favorite Starbucks coffee and also a bread. So, we're gonna have like breakfast. So, I think we'll do
Is once a month or every 2 weeks. If makita mo na parang may ano na madumi na skin or may black and white heads na, we can do that every 3 weeks naman. And then if
yung facial niya every few weeks.
3 weeks to 1 month talaga siya. Yan ang pinaka-basic natin. And then you can try na rin yung diamond peel together with facial.
And guys, so today, what we're gonna be doing is a diamond peel and a face contour, and also a rejuvenating facial. So it's discounted. It's from like I don't know how much it is now. It's like 1.5. So wala akong masyadong makeup. As bilog na bilog yung mukha ko. And since we're already here and we want to try out really what they are offering. I talked to Miss Vicky Reyes, the one who helped me with the consultancy. So, what they offered me is to have the rejuvenating facial. And for my skin, I have a few pigmentation and whiteheads and a few of the what do you call this? You know, yung saringoma. But the thing is, this one, hindi naman ako nababother that much. But ayoko yung may mga whiteheads ako nakifeel sa face. And also, yun nga, yung may mga veins. But still, you just have to take care of your skin. Dahil na I'm in my 30s. mid-30s, so we have to take care of that when we're getting older. So we're gonna be looking younger. So so see you. So, ayan tayo. So, si Miss Tina ang gagawa po sa akin. And, ayan po siya. And, very, conscious sila. Tapos, nakapiki sila. And, she gave me a blanket. Ayan, sobrang, pampered ako dito. Parang baby. Pwede na matulog. Ayan, thank you so much. Ito yung double chin, Yeah.
Alternative siya ng vacuum.
Ah,
Pwede
okay.
vacuum din ng ganun.
Ano bang mas
Same lang
prefer?
naman. Kahit bakit.
So, ano? Ilang beses mo usually dapat paggawa ng diamond pin?
Regular patient.
The new sound of the 80s. Suddenly you
Every
hear it
month,
everywhere.
once a month.
It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon.
Ay, oo.
Kasi na-remove niya yun.
Parang dito pa lang, smooth na siya.
Parang nag-powder siya.
Yeah. Super nice. Kasi hindi mo maano sa